Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 2 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. And in the menu you should see the watch face option. Tap on it to open the watch face menu, and here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use and tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So if we open the watch face menu, you have the edit icon under the watch face. You can tap on it, and for this watch face we can change the color, for example. And then you can press the upper button to confirm and apply it. For other watch faces you probably can change some other things. So let's say this watch face, let's tap on edit. Oh no, only the color. Okay, never mind then. So you can change the color and press the upper button and then apply the watch face if you want to. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.